Pag-perform na po ang ating 6 semi-finalists at para mapag-isip-isipan yung mabuti kung sino ang iboboto nyo, balikan natin ang mga performances nila. Let's watch this.
Keith Cardelieva. The Velasco Brothers. Alexis Carpena. Rolando Nangler. Manolito Saldivar. Reggie Ramirez.
Bawat sila'y ng puso ko sa isang sulit na lang umibig sa'yo.
Yeah! And now is the time to vote. Pwede na kayo bumoto through text and online. All you have to do is text PGT space, name of contestant, and send that to 2331 for Globe TM, Sun Cellular, and Phone Extra subscribers, or 231 for Smart and Pocket Text for all networks.
Para naman sa maramihang pagboto o bulk voting, just text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to filipinasgottalent.abs-cbn.com.
Sino ang hahanay kina Jovit, Ruther, Alakim at Marky sa Grand Finals? Bumoto na because you have 24 hours to vote.
Woo! At bukas, magkita-kita tayo muli live sa ABS-CBN Studio 1, Dolphy Theater, at doon natin makikilala kung sino ang pasok sa Grand Finals.
Judges, thank you very much. Contestants, thank you very much. At of course, maraming salamat sa lahat nandito sa AFP Theater. Maraming salamat. Sama-sama pa rin tayong ipakita sa buong mundo what Filipino talent is all about. Dito lang sa Filipinas Got Talent.
Sinong gusto niyo makapasok sa Grand Finals? To vote, Keith Cardelieva. To vote, the Velasco Brothers. To vote, Alexis Carpena. To vote, Rolando Nang III. To vote, Manolito Saldivar. To vote, Reggie Ramirez. And send to 2331 for Globe TM, Sun Cellular, and Phone Extra subscribers, and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. How to vote in bulk? Text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to Filipinas Got Talent, abs-cbn.com.
Thank you very much, guys.
Good luck.
Good luck. See you tomorrow.
Velasco Brothers. Good luck, man.
Bro, good luck.
Excited ka, no?
Good luck. What are the results tonight? Come on, Rolando. Come on.
Rolando, show us what you got.
Boto na mga kapamilya.
24 hours.